Hi everyone, here's my Hmong item of the day. It's actually the Hmong purple hat. And I don't know why it's looking blue, but it's actually like a deep purple color. But yeah, here, there's the inside. So they sold it. And it's like some foam, some really thin foam that they used. It's not very stiff. I know you can get like a stiff one. And this one is a soft kind, I guess. But here it is. Here's how they sold it. There. There. And how you make this hat is with, I remember my parents would use this fabric when they didn't have like that fancy one yet over there. So I have 3 colors. This one, I don't know why it's so blue. It's turning out kind of weird, but it's kind of like too bright or something. Ooh. It's really bright. That, I don't know. It's not really focused there. That's a little bit better. But yeah, you would wrap this around your head. I think there's a YouTube video about how you use this and wrap it around your head. If you want me to, comment below or message me and I can do a tutorial how you would wrap this around your head. They also use these to wrap around your stomach to make it like look bigger. I remember that was like the thing back then, to make your stomach like huge. Or just make you look like a straight rectangle instead of that hourglass shape. That was like the ideal look back then, like to make you look like a rectangle and not the hourglass shape, which is weird. But yeah, all of them have like this little dyed fabric up here, just so it comes off the top. Here's this one, really cute. There you go. But it's fairly a lot of fabric. So I have 3 colors. It comes in all shades. I just have 3 shades. Not sure. I don't know. I guess just depending on what color you like. But yep, there's my Hmong item today. The Hmong purple hat. So there, that color is nicer. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.